Hello, I am at Beaches, Turks, and Caicos, and I'm in room 6200, which is in the Key West Village. You enter the room. Here's directly, as soon as you enter, is your climate control, which is really nice because it's warm here in the Caribbean. And then to your left is the bathroom. This is a utility closet. You can take a peek here. Nothing too pretty. But it's nice for storage if you want to stick an extra suitcase or something in there. And it's right by the front door, which is nice for shoes. The bathroom here, double vanity. There's a makeup mirror, a really large regular mirror here, really nice. And it's the Red Lane Spa products. Purell, I'm all about the hand sanitizer, so I love that. Really nice beachy artwork. There's some storage here on the bottom, which is really great. A scale if you really want to weigh yourself while on vacation. And the bathroom is here. This one does not have a bathtub, but it has that wonderful rain shower that I love, and a handheld as well. That's always nice. Really big shower, beautiful. There's a hairdryer here on the door. I think there's probably some hooks. Yep, there's a hook and a rack for your towels and clothing. Very nice. Directly to your right over here is the front door. Directly to your right is a storage unit, microwave, some glasses, wine, coffee, a kettle for tea. And I'm just going to slide this forward. You've got some different Lipton teas. You've got decaf and you've got regular creamer, coffee cups. There's an ice bucket back there. Right here is your mini fridge. And inside here we have some juices for mixing drinks and some water, soda, more wine, some beer. Let's take a look at what this is. Turks had the local. Awesome. I've never been to Turks and Caicos, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. I've never seen it in New York City either, where I live. So, little tiny freezer. But that's nice. These are just storage. They're just empty. There you go. And then looking into the room, I will say this has a connecting room. So if you end up with connecting rooms, right here's your door. So that is available. Request only, not a guarantee. Though there are some guaranteed categories, that gets a little confusing. But right here to your left is the closet. Extra bedding on top. Wooden hangers. There's an ironing board. Umbrellas, which is a really nice touch. Luggage rack. Here's your safe. Iron. And robes. Very nice. Going into the room, you have a desk, which has some of my stuff on it, and your TV unit, and dressers. Lots of drawer space here. It's really nice. Lots of drawer space. And they're deep. You can store a lot in this. That's really, really great if you have multiple people here, or if you bring a lot of clothes, which is sometimes happens because you want nice clothes and you want swimsuit and you want warm weather clothes and all that kind of thing. This really nice chair. It's really wide. I'm wondering if it's a sleeper. I did not check it out first, so I don't know. It is. It's a sleeper chair. That's fantastic. And then to your left here is the king size bed. And it's just beautiful. I love the colors in this room. They're very light and airy, very Caribbean. There's a ceiling fan, which is really nice. There's this really nice chair here and the full-length mirror. We got a towel animal, so cute. Right over here. I like the rug too, it's very modern. More storage in here, which is wonderful. And then you have your iHome unit and lamps, more artwork, and I will show you the view off this room. I haven't even really looked yet. So, open these up. The slide's open. Oh, I think think I have it. I have it going the wrong way here. It slides both ways. That's kind of different. All right. This is a really nice balcony. Two chairs and a table here, and a drying rack for your swimsuit things. And my room overlooks part of a parking lot, which is quite all right with me. And the gardens, palm trees everywhere. It's beautiful. Oh, look at these balconies. They're huge. Very cool. And over here, there's like an event space, or like an open lawn, and they're setting up for an event there. So there's another balcony or a patio down there with a lounger. Really, really beautiful. Over here is a phone too, if you need to call housekeeping or the front desk or whatever it be. If you don't know, Beaches is an all-inclusive, family-friendly resort. It's fantastic. They have this resort here in Turks and Caicos, and they have 2 in Jamaica. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.